I'm almost there after that weird event. I don't know why I ate that other guy, but whatever, it doesn't matter. It was a yummy food. Okay, I'm gonna tell my son what my adventure. Oh, son, I'm back home. Where were you? Didn't I say I was going for a walk? Oh yeah, I forgot. But why did it take so long? It's because I met a random person and he started farting so much. A yellow, like, it was a yellow elephant. Oh yes, forgot. Almost. Oh yeah, I heard all that sound outside. Oh, you did? Wow. And this other hot dog person I ate, I don't know why, but it was really good tasting. And, okay. Should we move, son? Because this house is a bit boring, nothing much to do. Yeah, you're kind of right there. I don't know why we bought this house. The other one was better. Yeah, whatever. I got a nice house I've got to show you. Wait, really? Yes, follow me. It's only 425,000. Wow, that's really interesting. Nice. Okay, where's this house that you found? It's right over here. Oh, it's this house? Yes, it is. It's a nice little house right over here. Wow, nice little kitchen outside. Before our kitchen we didn't have a kitchen. And look at that inside. It's so comfy looking. Wow, that's so cool. Yes. It's for sale, like I said before. It's really only 400,000. Right now, I saved up only 200 billion. It's not much money. Okay. Okay, anyway, should we buy this, son? Yes, 100%. This house looks really good. Yeah, I kind of like it too. Let's find the house seller. Okay, let's wait a few minutes for him to come. Okay. Oh, hi guys. Oh, hi. I'm the house seller. Are you interested in purchasing the house? Yes, we are. Yeah, it looks so good. Okay, so you can take this one. Okay, first just sign this. Give me 1 second. Okay. Right here. Sign this ball right here, and then you get your thing. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay. Yes, it is. Okay, the house is all yours now. Have a nice day. You too. But goodbye. Bye. Wow, son, this is our new house. Now we just have to sell our old house. And then we could continue. Okay, sounds nice. House for sale. Anybody want it? It's only 100. It's only 80,000. Anyone want a nice cheap house? Anyone? Oh, I do. Because my dad right over here, he wants to buy this house after he sold his other one, which is right over there that you guys, he said, bought. Oh, okay. How much does this house cost? It's only $80,000.